lovely people. It's me, Energy Hair. I'm coming to you to show you a new hair coloring system. If you can see it, it's called what is it called? Nikek hair coloring. It's a hair coloring shampoo, actually. And just so you see, this is the bottle. I don't know how to do this. It's been a while. I'm not sitting at my chair. So as you know, guys, I went at natural a long time ago, and I actually grew these lovely locks over time. I've been promising to come back to you just to show you my journey. I've done so many different things with these locks in terms of protected hairstyles, covering it up, stuff like that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that I'm going to try something new. I've been using natural coloring systems for a while, but I decided to try one that I don't have to really mix, because you know, with henna, you do have to mix that, and you have to be really consistent and careful with it. So I just wanted to show you this, and I'll come back to you guys and let you know how it turned out in the next video. So here are my little locks. I call these baby Locs. Locs was the name that I gave them when I first started, because once I started doing this, I couldn't I couldn't keep up with the consistent pattern like a lot of locticians do. I actually felt that my name is Nicole, and I called them Locs only because my personality is different. It's just flamboyant, and sometimes I may want to go this way, sometimes I may not. And as any of you natural nappies know, that sometimes your hair just don't want to respond, and it'll do what it want to do. So my locks turned out to be where however it wanted to go. I did not force them. I did not force them to go in a certain pattern. So there's times when some of it, I just started growing some of it off. It was all cut. And some of them are a little longer, but majority of them are the original. So I just went on and put this color in. I'm going to leave this color on for like 45 minutes, if that. And then I'm going to rinse it out. And I'll come back. Miss you guys.